Good morning, ma'am. Are you all right? We gotta call a doctor.
No.
But...
It's no use.
I'll go get you a glass of water.
Are you going to run away with the things you stole?
What do you mean?
I saw all the things you stole, including the diamond ring. You know what? Everything you've taken so far, they weren't mine in the first place. They are all stolen goods. Aren't you glad to meet a business associate?
What? Ugh. All I wanted was to get out of debt. So what? You gonna call the police and put me in jail?
It won't happen, since I'm also a thief like you. How can I possibly call the cops?
If you were really a thief, who could get away with all this, then how did you become a shriveled up mess who can't even go to a hospital?
All I wanted was just $5 at first. But the thrill of stealing was getting bigger. Isn't it funny how a woman who was once an infamous thief can't even go to the hospital because she's afraid of being arrested? You aren't cut out to be a thief.